Hey guys, Julian here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your microphone gain when recording with the NT1 5th generation. Setting your gain correctly is one of the most important processes in the recording workflow. With both an XLR and a USB output, the NT1 5th generation is super flexible when it comes to different workflows, and there are a few different ways to set your gain depending on your setup. If you are using the XLR output to connect to an audio interface like the AI1, a console like the Rodecaster Pro 2, or any other analog equipment, you can simply use the gain knob or control on the device to set the preamp gain level. Most interfaces and consoles have a level meter or indicator which will allow you to see if your input level is too high, like on the AI1 here. If this is the case, simply turn your input gain down. Likewise, if it's too low, simply turn it up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, this is the exact same process as with any other XLR microphone. If you are using the NT1 5th generation's USB output, however, this process is slightly different because there is no external preamp between the microphone and your computer. The preamp is actually inside the microphone itself. This just means that you need to use your computer to adjust the preamp gain level. There are a couple of different ways to do this. You can simply use the input level control in your sound settings screen. Just make sure the NT1 5th generation is set as your audio input device. Now, if you're using a Mac, this same control is also accessible via your computer's audio MIDI setup. On a Windows computer, you can do the same thing with our custom ASIO driver. This is downloadable via the link in the description below. You can also control the gain as well as activate the mic's onboard digital signal processing via Rode Central or Rode Connect, both of which are free to download below. So there you have all of your different options. Now, on top of all of this, the NT1 5th generation also has a 32-bit float digital output. Now, this feature means that if you are recording into a digital audio workstation like Pro Tools or Reaper via USB, you don't even need to set your gain before recording, as you can just adjust your levels afterwards with no chance of the audio clipping. To find out more about how to use 32-bit float digital output, hit the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, everyone, and happy recording.